If you're on the lookout for some headphones to hear music the way it was intended to, then over-the-ear headphones are the best option. We've compiled the best in the market here for you. At number 4, we have the Bose Soundlink 2. With impact-resistant materials, glass-filled nylon, and corrosion-resistant stainless steel, these headphones are tough yet comfortable. The continuous headband design featuring a micro-suede Alcantara cushion ensures even weight distribution and enhanced stability. It uses a combination of triport technology and active EQ to deliver crisp and strong sound at any time. An advanced microphone system and enhanced side tone makes your voice sound clearer and crispier. It allows you to connect to and switch between 2 Bluetooth devices at the flip of a switch. The headset-mounted controls allow easy tracks and volume changes. The headphones fold flat into the matching slim protective case for easy travel or storage when not in use. Third place goes to the Audio-Technica ATH-M20X. The ear cups and the program materials means it provides excellent noise isolation and are extremely comfortable to wear and use. In addition to that, the design contours around the ears for excellent sound isolation in loud environments. The headphones are designed with copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils to improve sound quality and sensitivity of the speakers. The 40mm drivers built with rare earth magnets ensure you hear all your sound all the time. It's been tuned specifically to deliver great low-end performance. The headphone also comes with 3M straight single-side cables, which makes it convenient for studio tracking or field recording. If you check below at the video description, you can find additional information on the products and links to purchase featured products. At number 2, we have the Soundtrue Around-Ear Headphones 2 from Bose. They allow you to play back audio and take calls while providing a comfortable fit thanks to the padded headband and memory foam ear cups. Their rotating ear cup design that allows them to be folded down and stored when not in use, and have a rugged built design for the abuse of daily use. These headphones have a detachable cable that have an inline remote and microphone capable of providing control over compatible Apple devices. The fold flat ear cups and a matching carrying case make them easy to take anywhere. The best over-the-ear headphone in the market is the MPOW 059 Bluetooth headphone. Its memory protein ear cushion resembles human skin texture, thereby ensuring lasting comfort. The stainless steel slider and softly padded headband allows you to find the perfect fit without constraint and provide excellent durability. Adopting the best CSR chip together with CVC 6.0 noise reduction technology, these Bluetooth headsets ensure crystal clear sound and conversations. Its swivel folding design makes it easy to store when not in use or during travel. The earmuffs swivel flat to slip easily into a suitcase or bag, meaning you can take it with you anywhere at any time. A built-in 420 mAh battery provides up to 13 hours of continuous music time or 15 hours of talking time with one single charge. If you like the video, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to ensure you help us make more videos like this in the future.